Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been literally months since I made a vlog, but this weekend is the Easter bank holiday and I've come to the Peak District with my dear mother here. Say hi everyone. Hi. Back in the vlog, and yeah, we're doing World Camp, so I thought I'd make a vlog. And we just parked up in a place called Wetton and now we're on our way, and this is how it currently looks. It's a bit cold and windy, so it might be an uncomfortable night, but yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So enjoy, follow along, let's go.
Oh,
So cute.
let's pick one up on the way back.
Yeah, I'll have to pay £10 though. Let me have a £10 note. So this is the route we're doing on our wild camp. This bit is like the Dovedale stepping stones, and we're going to try and camp somewhere on this route. Yeah, that's we're just looking at this big blob in the tree. Yeah, I don't know what it is. If anyone knows what that is, let us know.
Everyone then bangs on about human rights and this is
Probably.
probably doing it with Dad. Oh yeah, it was you. Do you remember me talking about the moths? That wasn't here, that was the other different we did. And cat.
So we just stopped for a wee
And
on the path.
Lucas also.
What are they, Mum? Can you just show the packet? Because some people might not know what this is. Is this British? No. It's licorice sweets, which I don't like, but my mum likes. And yeah, we're walking down this beautiful gorge type thing right now. And yeah, it's great. It's a bit steep. So we've made it down to the Dovedale River, and it's really pretty actually. And yeah, onwards. I feel like it's going to be a reoccurrence that my mom is just always ahead. Oh, it's like weird crossing. Oh. So we just sat down to make a cup of tea. Mum's literally getting everything out of her bag. And I've got this little stove here, and yeah, I'm gonna make some hot drinks. Okay, so this is the stove like set up, and I'm gonna put some water in it. So you put your water in and then put a little lid on, and then you just turn this little button and then click the ignite button, which is here. Mum's is already cooking. Are you having tea or coffee? What is that? Beans in a bag. Coffee.
Relax, revive, go.
I thought it was like baked beans.
No mess, no fuss, just cracking coffee.
Just cracking coffee, okay. That looks great. There you go. I'm scared to like turn this on.
Oh, safety. I've got another one. I got these
So,
in the B&B.
how do I do this? Just turn this.
Turn that, but and then press that. As soon as the gas is going, you press that.
I haven't turned
You
it.
need 2 hands. Oh, no, turn with that one.
Yeah.
And press with the other.
Oh, I'm scared. Can you see the steam? Oh.
Was that? Yours seals more than mine. Yeah. Oh well, yeah. You didn't have much in. That's right.
Yeah. I just wanted to test it. And there you've got it. Yeah, coffee in a bag.
Yes. It says coffee
I know.
and beans in a bag.
I get it now. Well, enjoy. I just did hot water to test out the stove, but I'm not actually going to drink it. I've got some raspberries.
Maybe it's that. So it's, perhaps it's just because I always thought it was so you can stand it better, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think.
Get that raspberry. You get that raspberry. Yay! They're both eating the raspberry. It's really nunching on it.
Well, probably won't go in the
Here for it. I'm just going half this time. The sun is coming out, yeah? Well, yeah.
Yeah, I suppose.
We're just going like that rather than that.
This is the path. We're going right up.
There's so many baby sheeps around. Baby sheep. Hi little guys. All in this field as well. Oh yeah, sorry, lambs, not baby sheep. Just saying, this lamb is so well camouflaged. Like he really blends into the rocks. So we're still walking. It's now like getting towards 5 o'clock and not yet decided anywhere to wild camp. So yeah, we're just continuing along until we find a spot. But yeah, overall the weather's getting a bit nicer as well. I feel like the sun's coming out and it's so green and beautiful. I think we're gonna have to walk up that kind of big hill though, which, you know, not that excited about now because I'm starting to get a bit tired, but let's see how it goes. So we're now popping down into the village of Elam. I think it's pronounced Elam. Yeah, Elam or Elam. I think this is about it for Elam. It's 5 houses. Nice build, look at that nice bench. These benches are really, according to me. Yeah, it's like a World War II memorial bench. This bridge earlier on the way, we crossed over it and 2 times a car came down and had to reverse back. And yeah, onwards still. Some beautiful cherry blossom trees here. It's very nice. Just still walking along. Very lovely Peak District views. So it's getting to the point in the day where we're thinking about where are we going to camp. And yeah, we're not sure where we're going to pitch our tent, to be honest, but hopefully we will find a nice little spot somewhere. Let's see. So this is our chosen wild camping spot for the night. We're just going to hide behind this wall, both from the wind and I guess from people, and it is on slightly a bit of a slope, so we're just going to position it here and yeah, going to start setting up camp, putting the tent up. Mom putting the tent up.
Yeah. Anything in yet, Jess?
I'm doing the videography section of the trip. Very exciting dinner. Heat and eat macaroni cheese. I'm going to cook it on my little stove. So this is how it looks. Aldi, I wouldn't recommend that people bring this camping. But we do have a backup plan of some mushroom and chicken and Thai style chili noodles, so we could eat these as well. Mum's is still cooking. Yeah. Breakfast this morning, maple syrup flavoured porridge, and this is the view. It's currently freezing. You can probably tell from my face, but it was not a great night's sleep. It was quiet and it wasn't that windy, but it was kind of cold, and we were obviously on a hill, so just was sliding down a hill all night. Oh, and now the porridge has just dropped down my tummy. There we go. It's like we were never there. Remember to leave no trace.
That night I picked him up from there.
This is some old hall, fairly old hall. Got a bit of a drop over this hill. Had to put my coat on because it's really, really cold. But we're walking in a very like open area, so that's why. Garlic. Maybe so.
I think it's just quite
Oh, yeah, probably.
young.
Just got some wild garlic.
Thin leaves. They have flowers just on one side of the stem, and the bells are curly again, and they have a scent.
Oh.
Whereas the Spanish invasive have thick leaves, flowers all the way around the stem, tend to be more upright, they don't bend over. And they don't have curly ends on the flowers.
And that's just the bluebells.
Yeah.
Yeah. I asked, how do you know it's an ancient woodland?
Oh, I thought you said it ancient woodland bluebell.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, no,
Well,
that.
Thor's cave, everyone. We're down here. We're going up there. So we're just hiking up to Thor's cave, and we're gonna go and take a look. And that was the cave, and I think this is the end of the vlog, so thanks for watching. We are about to head back to the car now, so do you want to say bye, Mom? Bye. Bye.